In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. Notion doesn't use traditional folders like your computer, but you can create a page that behaves just like one by giving it a folder icon and nesting other pages under it. I'll walk you through the process step by step and point out what to look for along the way. First, create a fresh page. In the sidebar, click New Page. A blank page opens in the main area. Give it a clear title to make it easy to spot later. For this walkthrough, simply name it Folder. You'll see that title appear at the top of the page and in the sidebar. Now, let's make it look like a folder so it stands out. Move your mouse to the very top of the page over the title area until you see the Add Icon option appear. Click Add Icon. This opens the icon picker with a search bar. In the search bar, type the word Folder. You'll get a selection of folder-style icons. Choose the one you like by clicking it. The icon will appear next to your page title, giving you a clear visual cue that this page is meant to hold other pages. With the page set up, it's time to organize. In the left sidebar, locate any page you want to group into this folder. Click and drag that page, and then drop it directly onto the folder page you just created. When you release, it becomes a sub-page of folder. You'll know it worked if the page appears indented underneath folder in the sidebar. If you're dragging and don't see it nest, aim for the folder page name itself rather than the space between pages. Dropping in between creates a reorder, while dropping on the name nests it. Repeat the drag and drop for any additional pages you want to move into your folder. That's all there is to it. You now have a dedicated folder page with a folder icon, and the pages you dragged are neatly organized beneath it. As you keep building your workspace, this approach helps you cluster related notes, projects, or resources in one place and find them faster. If your sidebar gets crowded, collapsing the folder page keeps everything tidy while still only a click away. Thanks for watching. By creating a page, adding a folder icon, and dragging pages onto it, you've effectively built a folder in Notion. Use this same method whenever you need a clean, simple structure for your content.